How to buy ONDO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. Now after that, go and open this token on CoinMarketCap as you can see. Now this token, it's available in multiple exchange platforms as you can see, the Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, OKX, and so on. Now if you want to buy it within your wallet, now you need to go to contracts and copy the token address. Now remember, this token address is under Ethereum network. Now go and open your wallet. For example, I will use Bitgetwide for that. Now go to your wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Now paste here the token address and now click on plus icon here. Now after that, go back and now find your token. Just wait a few seconds, and this is our token. Just click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and now select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. So after that, click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the ONDO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.